Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be doing something serious but also very simple. So for this one I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So that means you won't be able to use it ever again. Now how do you actually do it? It's pretty simple to be honest. So first of all, let's head over to our WhatsApp app. I'm already on my WhatsApp app, so what I need to do is to head over to the triple dots on the top right corner of the screen, click on that, click on settings, and then what you just need to do out of all these settings is just to click on account. And now from here you'll see all of these options. What we need to do is obvious. We need to click on delete account, and now it will tell you these things. If you delete this account, the account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your devices. That means not just from my phone, but even on your PC or your laptop. So your message history will also be erased, and you will be removed from all your WhatsApp groups. So everything basically is gonna be deleted. Now you have the option to whether you want to change your number, but for this one, we're just gonna go ahead and delete our account permanently. So I'm gonna put it here, and then click on delete account, and then you need to make sure that the number that you're using is the same one as your account. So for example, this one, that's my account number. So I'm just gonna put that there, write it down, delete, and then it's gonna ask you your reason for deleting it. So I'm just gonna say, let's say I'm deleting it temporarily. I got bored, maybe. I'm just gonna put that there. Not hired, bored, and then just click on delete account, and then it'll ask you one last time. Do you really want to delete it? Heck yeah, we're deleting the account, and then it has been deleted, and that's gone, and it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.